Let me show you how to factory hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. I will show you two different ways. First, if your tablet is already off, so you see, and also if you maybe have a pin on it and you can't remember the security, you're locked out and you can't even turn off your tablet. So first, if it's off, also what you need also is either a computer or a laptop, and we simply have to take our leads that we use to charge our device and simply plug it in a computer or laptop. So otherwise you won't be able to access the boot menu. Obviously make sure your computer is on, you do not have to do anything there. So that's simply a procedure here. So you see it even starts to charge, and then we simply have to press the power button and the volume up and keep holding. So the power and volume up at the same time. So you see, if I hold this, and once you see the Samsung logo, release it. So let's see how long it takes. So once you see the Samsung logo, you can release. Okay, and then wait a bit, and you see you have this like boot menu over here. Then to reset it, so click wipe date factory reset, accept with the power button, so the touchscreen actually doesn't work at this stage. So again, go down here, factory date reset, again confirm with this power button, and it will be reset essentially. Okay, and also then the next way basically. So if you basically have the tablet on and you have some security on it. Okay, so you see my tablet is on, but I have the security on it. And for example, if I have forgotten basically this stuff and I can't gain access, also I can't even turn off the tablet, which is a bit ridiculous. So then we have to do it in similar way. First, make sure it's plugged in the computer laptop again, so without this it won't simply work. Then again we are actually going to hold the power button and the volume down at this stage. That will actually restart the tablet, and once basically it shuts down, we are going to jump to holding the power button and the volume up button. So first wake it up, so make sure you are in the screen and simply hold the power and the volume down and ignore this. So you won't be able to even turn it off basically using those buttons. So keep holding the power and volume down. So you see, once you release, once it shuts down, release and jump to holding the volume up and the power button. Once you see the Samsung logo, release. Okay, simply wait. As it takes some time. Let's see. So you see, once you see the Samsung logo, release, and again wait, it will boot you up in the same menu. So you see, again, we can basically use these buttons here to go to the wipe date factory reset and reset your tablet. Okay, good luck.